You know, the world of English is a fun and exciting place to be. I'm so glad you could join me for another lesson. Hi everybody, this is Mr. Duncan in England. How are you today? Are you okay? I hope so. Are you happy? I hope so. In this lesson, we will take a look at what happens when we want to make a long word or a group of words into a smaller and easier to remember form, or as it is more commonly known, abbreviation.
And repeats.
There are two types of abbreviation. First, there is initial abbreviation, where the first letter of each word is used to form the final abbreviation. Each letter is spoken as a separate sound. For example, the abbreviation BBC is formed using the first letters from British Broadcasting Corporation. So, BBC is the result. It is easier to remember and also much easier to say. So here we go with some examples of initial abbreviations. And here to help me, it's Mr. Steve!
Hello everyone.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Let's go.
ANC.
Africa National Congress.
BMW.
Bavarian Motor Works.
DND.
Do not disturb.
FYI.
For your information.
GB.
Great Britain.
HRH.
Her Royal Highness.
IOU.
IOU.
KG.
Kilogram.
LOL.
Laugh out loud.
MP.
Member of Parliament.
QED.
Quid est demonstrata, which is Latin for it is proved.
RSVP.
Respondez s'il vous plaît, which is French for please reply.
UNM.
Under new management.
And the last one, VIP.
Very important person, like Mr. Duncan and Mr. Steve. Thank you, Steve.
Bye-bye, see you again.
Secondly, there is a type of abbreviation we call an acronym. In this case, the first letters from each word actually form another word. For example, laser. The word is made up from the first letters of light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. Here you will notice that not all of the first letters are used. Often the word and is left out of the formula. This rule mostly applies to conjunctions and prepositions. Here are some more examples of acronyms. And once again joining me, it's Mr. Steve!
Hello again. Right, here we go. The first one, AIDS.
Acquired Immune Deficiency Syndrome.
BAFTA.
British Academy of Film and Television Arts.
DEFRA.
Department for Environment, Food and Rural Affairs.
JPEG.
Joint Photographic Experts Group.
FTSE.
Financial Times Stock Exchange.
SALT.
Strategic Arms Limitation Treaty.
NATO.
North Atlantic Treaty Organization.
NASA.
National Aeronautical and Space Administration.
OPEC.
Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries.
And the last one, WHO.
Who?
I don't know.
The World Health Organization. Thank you once again, Mr. Steve.
Bye-bye and see you all again.
Again, maybe? Perhaps. Hello. You are so lovely, aren't you? Yes, you are. Do you want an apple? Do you want to eat an apple? No? Okay, maybe later. When we want to make a word or phrase shorter, we abbreviate it or condense it down. This type of word can also be called a contraction. Yes, it can. Yes, it can. There are literally hundreds of abbreviations around, and new ones are constantly being created. You could even invent your own shortened phrase. I have already made one of my own. L, E, W, D. Lude. Can you guess what it stands for? Well, another lesson has come to an end. Before I disappear, I want to say a special hello to my new friends watching in the Czech Republic, France, Iran, Ireland, Japan, Kuwait, Russia, Australia, and the United States of America. Thank you all for watching, and thank you so much for your messages and comments, good and bad. This is Mr. Duncan in England saying TTFN. That abbreviation means ta-ta for now.